Hello. This Tuesday, I want to show you how to properly insert and remove a USB flash drive. Welcome to Tuesday. I hope it's a wonderful time for you. My name is Dr. Phil. The network cable. Internet slow. A VPN connect. There's no hope. My name is Dr. Phil, and this is your Tech Tip Tuesday. Okay. All right. So this time I want to show you how to properly insert and remove a USB flash drive, because as odd as it seems, there is an incorrect way, especially to remove a flash drive. Now, on most flash drives, you'll notice that they have a little line down here and a little clear space right here, and you usually can tell which way is up and which way is down, but typically on a USB port, on this side, let's do, they have the part that's filled in on the hole is the part that you want to make sure is facing down on whatever surface is below you, and then the empty space is above. So what you simply do is, on this one, my USB ports are on this side, so got it. I've inserted it. It shows up. I can see the contents, and we're good. Now, if I want to remove this flash drive, this is not the movies. You cannot just rip it out of the computer, because that will actually destroy it, and I will illustrate later. But what you'll want to do is you want to go down to the lower right hand corner, right click, and select Eject Flash Drive, or whatever your flash drive's name is, and then it will say safe to remove hardware. And at that point, and only at that point, is it safe to remove your flash drive from your computer. Similar thing on a Mac. I will show you. What you do is you insert it, and then it will appear on your screen, and then you can see that it's there, and you can double click on it and you can read and write data into it from there. Now, in order to remove off of a Mac, you want to right click on the flash drive itself, select Eject, whatever the name of that flash drive is, and on this one it doesn't tell you it's safe to remove or anything like that. You just, once the logo icon has disappeared, then it's safe to remove it. So that is the general gist of how to safely remove a flash drive and insert a flash drive from your laptop. Now, in order to illustrate what happens when you don't, I've got this flash drive, because I used to take my cues from the movies or from other friends of mine or whatever, and then I would insert this into my computer USB port, and then I would remove it nonchalantly without ejecting it properly, and eventually I wasn't able to read the data that was on my flash drive. Let me show you. So I'm going to insert this properly. So I've inserted it on my computer, shown up. So what I can do is I'll go to my File Explorer, and then I will try to access it from here, and I cannot see. I see the USB flash drive, but even my File Explorer is not responding properly, and it's actually due to this flash drive that went bad. And I can't even read anything, I can't write any data, I can't see anything on the computer's keyboard or the computer layout, and I won't be able to really do anything. My File Explorer is broken, like my whole computer's been locked up. But now I can just, once I remove it, it will reload everything back onto my computer, and I'll be in good shape. And on the Mac, similar situation, it won't even read it. So I just wanted to explain to you that this is what happens. You can't read your data, you can't write your data. I lost everything on this flash drive because I did not eject it properly from my laptop. So I hope this is informative for you, and I'll see you next week. Have a wonderful Tuesday.